Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about static method of an interface in Java. In Java we can have one interface and inside of which we can have one static method, and the method can have method definition. And to call the method we have to use the interface name, like we have to write interface name I1 dot display, and this way we can call the static method of one interface. Like in this example program we have one interface called I1, and inside that interface we are going to create one static method. So I'm going to write static void display, and this method will print static method onto the console. So we have one class A which is implementing the interface I1. So now to call the display method we have to use the interface name dot the method name. So I'm going to save the program and I'm going to compile and run the program. And you can see the output, the string static method has been printed onto the console. So in Java, one interface can have static method with one method definition, and we have to use the interface name to call the method. So hope you understand the concept of static method in interface. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.